Login failed on Stash app fix. You try logging into your Stash account to check your investments, but the app throws up that dreaded message login failed. It's frustrating, especially when your money is involved. But don't worry, this is a common issue, and fixing it is easier than you think. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable signal is often the main reason for failed logins. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to refresh your connection. Next, ensure your Stash app is fully updated. Head to your App Store or Google Play and search Stash. Tap Update if available. Using an older version can cause compatibility errors with Stash's new authentication system. Now, re-enter your email and password manually. Avoid using autofill or save credentials. Even one extra space can cause the login to fail. If you've forgotten your password, reset it securely through the Forgot Password link. If you're using Face 8 or fingerprint login, disable it temporarily and log in manually. This can refresh your session and fix token errors that cause failed logins. Still having trouble? Try clearing your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, App Stash, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This clears out all data automatically. If you use a VPN, proxy or ad blocker, turn it off before logging in. Stash system might block masked or suspicious apps for security reasons. Finally, if nothing works, check if Stash servers are down. You can confirm by visiting their official status page or checking their latest updates online. So next time your Stash app says login failed, don't panic. With a few quick fixes, checking your connection, updating the app, and clearing the cache, you'll be back in your account, tracking your investments and managing your portfolio in minutes.